Good morning, grade 3. Welcome to our Science 3. Our topic for today is about differences between living things and non-living things. How can you tell a living thing from a non-living thing? Living things carry out life processes, while non-living things do not. The following slides will show the differences between living and non-living things. Here, we have living things need food. Like here we have the plant who needs the solar energy and the water to feed. And we have the pig who eats and the humans who eats too. While the non-living things do not need food. Living things breathe. As we can see here, the humans need air. They go into the nose and to the lungs. And here we have the chicken who breathe in the oxygen into their lungs. The grasshopper has different lungs to breathe. Plants too need to breathe too. So here we have the plants who needs the carbon dioxide, and in exchange it gives off the energy that human needs. While the non-living things do not breathe. Living things grow up. As with the animals, they grow up with their bodies, as well as the plants. The humans will transform from baby into an adult, while the non-living things do not. Here we have the plants who needs the water, the sunlight, and the carbon dioxide. The air that he breathes on is not a living thing, as well as the sunlight, who is also not a living thing, and the water too. Living things move. Humans need to move to get their food and to work. As you can see here, the plants also move directed into the sunlight, while the animals also has to move to get away from the danger or to get their food. While non-living things do not. They cannot move unless you touch them or move them. Living things reproduce. Reproduction is a process by which human, animals, and plants produce offspring of their own kind. So this ensures that their kind will not die. While the non-living things do not. You can only make them so that they will grow in number. Living things respond to their surroundings. Here, we can see the human is sweating because of the heat in temperature. The reaction cools them down. We can also see that the plant grows upward in search of sunlight. And some plants react to touch, like this mimosa plant who curls up when you touch them, while the non-living things do not. They do not respond to their surroundings. As we can see here, the plastic is just floating into the water. Without somebody moving it, it will not move. The glass in the water, or the glass that was put in by some chemicals, will not be moved until the person touches it away or into. As we can see here also, in our fish bowl, the fish is turning around from the house or around the house, but the house still is not moving. And the other one is the person is touching the glass, but the glass is also not moving, or it does not respond to the hand. Again, let's summarize the difference between the living and the non-living things. Living things are things that are alive. They need food, water, and air to stay alive. They have the ability to produce, grow, and respond to changes in the environment, while the non-living things do not need food or water, cannot grow, and cannot move by themselves. Hope you learned something today. Goodbye!